Stampers, Deb and Vicky here, and we are so excited to roll out our very first ever Teaspoon of Fun carton of creativity. This little box is just filled with such exciting creative crafts that you could ever imagine. So this is the debut of our box. The box alone is absolutely adorable, but if you want to know more about it, just hop on over to www.teaspoonoffun.com or head on over to our Facebook page, Teaspoon of Fun, and you are going to see all of the exciting things that we're going to be doing. This little box right here is so adorable all on its own. We stamp, we craft, we create, and when you open this box, it is going to be filled with amazing things. So what I want to tell you about this box is it's not a subscription. You can join whenever you want. You can get whichever one you want. We'll give you a little sneak peek, but then what we're going to do is we're going to have fun. We're going to have Facebook Lives. We're going to have videos for you, but it's all for the box that you do. So if you subscribe to this box, okay, and this one is our library kit, all right, you're going to get this amazing little box. Now, I'm not going to show you what's in it, because it is just filled with great and awesome things. Hop on over to www.teaspoonoffun.com or onto our Facebook page. We're also known as TOF. So that's all I'm going to show you for today. This is just so much fun. So remember to share your creations and hashtag us at Teaspoon of Fun. You take care, have a great day, and thanks for stopping by.